Hello everyone. Here I am near Chennai. Madras roofing work is going on here. Let me give you a short tour that how the work is going on. Come on. If you'll see, this material was prepared around 20 days back. It is the mixture of sand and lime. The hydraulic lime is used here, and as a along with this, it's a mixture of kadukai, that is myrope, and jaggery, right? So once the material is properly fermented, it is sent up for the roofing work. Now let us see how it is from inside. From inside, if you see carefully, the bricks are 20% bricks are laid over the roof, and distance between each rafter is around 1 foot and 1 inch. The rafter size is around 4 inches square. It's totally 750 square feet work. After some time we'll go up and I'll show you how the exactly work is going on. Thank you. Now let us see how this kadukai and jaggery mixture is prepared. 5 kgs of jaggery and 10 kgs of myrope, that is kadukai. It is not in the powder form. It is just as it is. After that, it is pounded properly and it is mixed with the jaggery and water. Right. In full 120 liters of drum, the mixture is prepared, and the mixture is kept for 7 days for proper fermentation, and after that it is ready to use. Before the bricks are laid, it should be cleaned properly to lay, and most important, the brick should not be wet at all. Otherwise it won't stick with the material, and you cannot get a firm structure. It's very hot upside, but I would like to show you. If you'll see, each brick before laying is completely dried and properly cleaned. Before application, we have to just apply a little bit material over it, and again scrap it off, and then put it in enough quantity. And regarding the consistency of the material, it is not a proper calculation or standard calculation for this. Right, like this, you have to apply the mortar over it, and then you have to stick. Right. Now, if you observe carefully, each and every brick is very dry. There is no water content, or it is not immersed in the water. Right. Here the mixture of jaggery and kadukai is being mixed. It's a very general calculation that per square feet around 25 Madras roofing bricks are required. Right. So after that, again the bricks will be laid flat over this area like this. It will be laid like this, and again it will be plastered with lime, and after that a layer of around 3 inches will be given over it, so it will become absolutely waterproof and strong and durable.